Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint chutney for tandoori chicken. This fresh, vibrant chutney perfectly complements the smoky flavors of tandoori chicken. We'll start with selecting the freshest ingredients to ensure a delicious result. This recipe is simple, quick, and will elevate your meal. Get ready to create a fantastic dipping sauce that everyone will love. To begin, gather your fresh mint and cilantro. Ensure they are thoroughly washed and dried. Next, you'll need a small piece of ginger, about 1 inch, and 1 clove of garlic. A small onion, roughly 1/4 of a medium size, will also add a nice base. Don't forget your lemon and a pinch of salt. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's get blending. Place your washed mint, cilantro, ginger, garlic, green chili, and onion into your blender. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Blend on high, adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of water as needed, until it reaches a smooth, vibrant green consistency. Once blended, taste your chutney. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning. If it needs more tang, add a little extra lemon juice. For more spice, a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper works wonders. Serve this fresh mint chutney chilled alongside your hot tandoori chicken. It also pairs wonderfully with other grilled meats or as a sandwich spread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.